So let us continue with the very interesting poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. Okay, so we have already completed 3 stanzas in this poem, and I hope you can understand the entire poem because it's a very simple poem which has been written in using very simple words. Let us continue with the poem. Macavity's a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So now we come to the physical description or the outward features of Macavity. Till now we were understanding, or the poet was telling us about the capacity of Macavity, what he could do, what kind of a criminal he is, how he is so difficult to be caught. Now we are going to read a little bit more personal information about the cat. Okay, so he is a ginger cat. That means he has his the color of his coat is orange in color, or ginger as his set. He's very tall and thin. So his physical feature is he is very tall and very thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. That means his eyes are not bulging out but rather sunk in the cavity. That means his eyes look as if he is deep in thought. Okay, they are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Means his brow is deeply lined in thought. That means his brows have deep lines in them, as if he is always in deep thought all the time. Okay, like this maybe. Anyway, I have not seen Macavity, so I can only imagine how he looks. And his head is highly domed. That means his head has a dome-like shape. Okay, high and dome-like shape, like a rounded shape. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. His coat, the fur coat of the cat is dusty from neglect. He does not have even time to clean his body because he is so busy. He is such a busy cat. So his coat looks dusty, full of dust because of neglect. Maybe he does not care much about his personal hygiene. Okay, so his coat is full of dust. His whiskers are uncombed. The whiskers which are there of the cat, means the facial hairs which he has, they are uncombed. That means he does not care much about his appearance as such. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. That means his head moves from side to side like a snake does. Okay, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. But if you think from his eyes, if you think like he is drooping, he is dozing or something, but he is actually wide awake because his eyes are sunken in. You cannot always understand if he is in alert, but he is actually always wide awake. Okay, he is always alert. He is always ready for action. So many facts we understood about Macavity, right? We understood how he looks like and what are his peculiar features, like how his whiskers are uncombed, his coat is dusty, and how he can sway his head or move his head from one side to another like a snake. Okay, he can make snake-like movement, and how even though he looks, he's quite a clever cat. Okay, he gives the impression as if he's sleeping, so that people will not be so much careful about their stuff. And then when you think that he's sleeping or he's dozing off, he's actually very alert. He's very much awake. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape. This is another appreciative way in which the poet is telling that he is a fiend in feline shape. Fiend means devil. He is devil incarnate, as if devil himself has come in the shape of a cat. Feline shape means like a cat. Okay, so it's as if he is devil himself in the guise of a cat. A monster of depravity. He is a monster and full of corruption. Okay, there is nothing good about him because he does so many evil activities, and he is actually a monster of bad activities. Okay, so he is very, very evil. You may meet him in a by street. By street means a side street. Okay, not the main street. The side lanes and the by lanes which diverge from the main street. You might see him in one such street. You may see him in the square. That means that even in indistinct positions you can see him. That means places where nobody really looks, like the side street from the main street. Or you can even see him in the square. Square means the traffic square. That means the place in which four roads meet. Okay. That means even in the more popular destinations you can find him, as well as in the places which are overlooked by people you can find him. That means there is no specific place in which you can find him. He doesn't have a limit, that he does not hide himself all the time in that manner. He goes to every place. Okay. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. Okay, normally in usual times you can find him in any place. You can find him in a side street, you can find him in a square, a more popular place, okay, a more congested place also you can find him, or in a kind of by lanes or side lanes you can find him. But when a crime's been committed by him, when he has done something really bad, then McCavity is not there. There is no way you can discover him. Okay, so this is a very fun and interesting poem, and I hope that you have all understood it. If you have any difficulty in understanding the poem, you can just let me know about it, okay? So we would be discussing the question answers, but attempt the question answers on your own. All the question answers, I saw it. I think they are quite easy to be attempted, but still we would be discussing them. Okay, thank you for today's session.